guys, it's your girl Nia Imani and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button right down below. Hit that post notification bell so you know when your girl is uploading, like duh. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below. As you guys can see from the title today, I am doing a PR unboxing. Tarte Cosmetics has blessed me. They have blessed your girl with a package, a PR package. So shout out to Tarte Cosmetics. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. I cannot wait to use all the goodies that you guys gave me. But yes, let's just jump right into it. I'm sitting outside because I just wanted a different vibe. Like, I wanted this outdoorsy vibe. So if it's noisy, I do apologize. But yeah, so they sent it to me in a box, y'all know, like this. Had to cover up the address, but yes, let's get into it. So when you open the box up, it just looks like this on the inside. Nothing like really special. And just a whole ton of products. So yeah, let's get into it. The first thing I grabbed is the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. So it looks like this. Honestly, I haven't been getting my lash extensions just because I need to give my lashes a break. And as you guys can see from today, I'm giving y'all like the all natural look. But honestly, I love to bring mascara back because first of all, hold up, wait a minute. It comes in this super cute like snake skin packaging, which I love this. This is the bottle. This is a vibe. This is such a vibe. This is so cute. Go off, Tarte. So that is item number 1 from my box. Next, I got a beauty blender. Your girl can never have enough beauty blenders, especially like beauty blenders get so dirty so fast. And it's just always good to just have a ton to just, you know, switch out. Next, I have a brush. It's called the Hydro Smoother Brush. And it looks like this. I love this little like sea green color. Oh, actually it says sea. I love this color. It's so cute. Next, I got a blush. So it looks like this. I love blushes. Honestly, I'm glad that I got this because I don't have a lot of like compact blushes like this. I only have blushes that come in like palettes. So like when I'm traveling and stuff, it's kind of hard to, you know, travel with something so small. But looks like this. It comes with a mirror. They're smart. Like, I hate when you get stuff like this and it doesn't come with a mirror. Like, I just think that it should. Let me swatch this. Oh, she's light. Yeah, you can barely see it on my skin. She's a light one. Honestly, I feel like this one is so light that this will be perfect for like a no makeup type of day. So I can't wait to like give it a try. Also, comment down below if you want to see me do a full-blown makeup look with all of the products that I received. Next, I have a Tartelette in Bloom, which is this makeup palette. You can never have enough eyeshadow palettes, honestly. I honestly, like, that's my favorite thing to receive is eyeshadow palettes. And it's so pretty. It has like little like flower petals on it. And these colors are like perfect. Like, these are the colors that like my go-to colors, honestly. I don't really like wearing like purples and pinks and, you know, like colors like that on my eyes. I love neutral colors when I do wear eyeshadow. So like, this is perfect for me. And once again, it comes with a mirror. Like, that's so smart. And this is like a big mirror too. Like, you could really like see with this mirror. Oh, don't want to get the plastic out. So I'm excited about this. It has matte colors, it has shimmery colors, which I love. That's perfect for game days, which what I use anyway. Next, I have the 12-hour crease proof concealer. They're America's #1 concealer. It's the Shape Tape concealer. This is actually in the color Deep Sand. I'm a person that I like to have like bright under eyes. I feel like I've said that in my past makeup tutorials. So this one is like a little bit dark. Maybe I don't even know if I can use it as a contour because it's like not that dark. Let me swatch it. Yeah, I don't know. This is not light enough. I don't know if you guys can see right here, but this is not light enough for me to do as a like a, you know, like a highlight underneath the eye. I don't know, maybe I can try. I don't think it's like that much darker than my skin to do a to use as contour, but I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna make it work, you know. Next we have, oh, I just like put this on. I'm gonna just rub this on there. Well, there goes my. Next we have this Marajuka Juicy Lip. Don't really know how to pronounce that. But let's see. You know I love a lip product too, and this is in the color Rose. Doesn't really have a smell. We love to see that. Oh, I love the fact that it's like it's like a push, so it's kind of like a pen. Dang, I should have bought a whatchamacallit out here, like a paper towel. Wipe my lip. Let me see what this is giving. Dang, I put it back in the thing. Honestly, this feels like very nice on the lips. Yeah, I actually like how this feels on my lips. Like when it says juicy lip, it really means that, because it definitely gave like old school beauty supply store lip gloss feel. Let me see how it looks on my lips. Okay, clearly I did not blend that in right. I feel like with this, a little goes a long way. But this is cute. Like if I had makeup on my face, this would be so cute. Like I said, once again, this is another product that I feel like I can wear on my no makeup days, which I just didn't feel like doing that today. Like today is Saturday, I want to chill. I put so much makeup on my face this whole week, y'all. It's insane. But I love this. This is definitely like gonna be my go-to, especially because I don't really like lipstick like that. Next, I have the Shape Tape Concealer Best Set. And so this is another, comes like this. It's like a little gift box, and it comes with the concealer, the Juicy Lip, and I feel like it's in the same color, and a mascara. Yes, I don't really want to open this because this looks like perfect. Okay, next I have the Hydro Flex foundation in the color Deep Sand, which is the same color they gave me in the concealer. So I feel like this would be a good color as a foundation. I would have to see, but now I see that it goes with this brush that I got. So both of these go together to use. So like I said, if you guys want to see me use these products, comment down below and I will do a whole makeup look video for you guys. Next, I have two like little gift sets. These are like so cute for like birthday gifts and stuff like that. But this one comes with the Voluptuous Mascara, the Lights Camera Action Lashes Mascara, and the Double Take Liner, and it comes like this. And then this one comes with the Man Eater, a Lash Smoothie Volumizing Mascara, and the Lights Camera Action. And this is what it looks like. So these are cute little like perfect for holiday time. You know, Christmas is coming up, or like I said, birthdays, but this is definitely cute, like stocking stuffers. And even if you don't want to give like all three to one person, they have it on the back where you can say to and from, so that's like perfect for gifts. Next I have the Awake by Tarte lip therapy mask. I honestly need this. Like, my lips get so dry, and I just need like lip scrubs, lip mask. Let me smell it because it's like a peachy. Oh my god, this smells so good. I'm just like giving it to y'all, like y'all can really smell it, but it smells so good. You know what this reminds me of? Okay, this is for all people that's like my age. I'm 25. But remember when we used to go to Claire's, like when we was young, and we would get those like jelly lip glosses from Claire's, and they all came in like different flavors, like scents. This is what this reminds me of. It smells just like that. It says, what am I? Creamy lip treatment mask, the Awake effect. A pout that looks smooth, hydrated, and supple. Why I'm special. Concentrated oil blends of olive, argan, rose hip, and raspberry seed works all day or while you sleep for 12 hours. So you can use this AM and PM. So this is probably something like if you don't want to wear lip gloss or lipstick, or lipstick, this can work as a chapstick as well, but I'll probably use this like at nighttime when I do like my skincare, and then put this on and go to sleep. And then one last product, and it's another Awake by Tarte product, and this is the Awake Glow Peel, and it looks like this. It comes in this packaging. First off, I love the fact that they have like the different languages on the box. Other places do that, but like I feel like normally it's Spanish. Says daily dose of skin vitamins, what I am. 24-hour hydrating vitamin serum, the Awake effect. Helps brighten, smooth, and clinically proven to improve appearance of fine lines. Why I'm special. pH 5.3, a super blend of 10% niacinamide, I don't know, and vitamins B3 and B5, and you can use this as well for AM and PM. So let's, oh, this is such a cute little bottle. Let's see. Oh, and it's like a pump, which I love, love, love. So yes, that is all the products that I received from Tarte. Like I keep saying, comment down below if you guys want me to do a full-blown makeup look with these products, because they gave me more than enough. But yes, thank you so much to Tarte Cosmetics for this PR package. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Honestly, getting PR packages sent to me is like my favorite part of being a micro influencer. For those of you that are watching that want to become a micro influencer or a nano influencer or a content creator, I have videos that I talk about how you can work with brands. I'll link that here. But if you want a more updated video about how to work with brands, comment down below as well. I love you guys so, so much. Stay safe in these streets. Y'all already know. Okay, mask up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Sunrise, I'm on my own time, and I can start something